In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to draw a line in Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're brand new to Illustrator or just need a quick refresher, understanding how to properly draw and control lines is one of the most important basic skills you can learn. Lines are the foundation of logos, illustrations, icons, technical drawings, and so much more. By the end of this video, you'll know how to draw a line, how to keep it perfectly straight, and how to adjust its color and thickness to match your design. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Illustrator tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document or open an existing one. Once you're inside your workspace, go over to the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the Line Segment tool. The shortcut for this tool is the # key on your keyboard. If you don't immediately see it, it may be grouped with other line tools. Click and hold on the tool group to reveal it, then select Line Segment tool. Once the Line Segment tool is active, move your cursor over to the artboard. To draw a line, simply click and drag. Click where you want the line to begin, hold your mouse button down, and drag to where you want the line to end. Then release the mouse button. Just like that, you've created a line. It's that simple. You can repeat this process anywhere on your artboard to create multiple lines. If you want more precision, you can click once on the artboard instead of dragging. Illustrator will open a dialog box where you can manually enter the exact length and angle of your line. This is especially useful for technical or highly accurate designs. Now let's talk about how to make your lines perfectly straight. Sometimes when you drag freely, the line may tilt slightly off angle. To fix that, hold down the Shift key while you click and drag. When you hold Shift, Illustrator constrains the angle of your line. This allows you to create perfectly horizontal, perfectly vertical, or 45-degree angled lines. This is extremely useful when creating clean layouts, grids, or structured designs. So remember, click and drag to draw your line and hold Shift while dragging to lock it into a straight angle. After you've drawn your line, you'll probably want to adjust how it looks. With the line selected, go to the Properties panel, usually located on the right-hand side of your screen. If you don't see it, you can enable it by going to Window and then selecting Properties. In the Properties panel, look for the stroke settings. This is where you can control the appearance of your line. First, you can change the stroke color. Click on the stroke color box and choose any color you like from the color picker or your swatches. This changes the color of the line itself. Next, you can adjust the stroke weight, which controls the thickness of the line. Increase the number to make the line thicker or decrease it to make it thinner. You'll see the changes update instantly on your artboard. You can also explore advanced stroke options in the stroke panel, such as dashed lines, rounded caps, or different corner styles, depending on the look you're going for. And that's it. That's how you draw a line in Adobe Illustrator. Keep it perfectly straight and customize its appearance using stroke settings. It's a simple tool, but it's one you'll use constantly in your design work. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy Illustrator guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.